Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel for another episode of Monday Suck. And today we are going to play some Risk of Rain. First off, this volume, oh no, that's fine. Okay, we're gonna play some Risk of Rain. It's fun and hard at the same time, and it's irritating also if you let it be, but it's really fun. Last time I got to level 2, and I think I know where the teleporter is, so we have to find the teleporter. I don't know. Oh yeah, the teleporter's over here. So, oh gosh, we have to find the teleporter, and then what we do is, okay, you stay down there. And what we do is we fight off hordes of bastards, and then we have to do stuff. Ooh, oh, 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 no. All right. I think it's this way. Whoa. Onwards. Onwards. Bam. Get back. Get back. Get back. Get back. Get back. Oh, why did I jump that way? Alright, back. Back. Level up, yes. Alright. Let's fight these guys. Bam. Suppressive fire. Give me the coins. Yes. Yes. The coins are mine. All mine. I think it's this way. No. Oh. 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 Oh, this music, man. This music. Alright, this way. I feel like I'm getting better at this game. Okay, if we go upwards. No. Upwards. Upwards and yonder. Oh, what is that? A flaming like thing? Does that one like flame on? Like the guy from Fantastic Four? Oh, it's... Oh! Oh! Get some! Oh, I don't want that. Hey, look, a container. I like me some containers. What? You keep your distance from me, you son of a bitch. Oh, I got him. Oh, he can refuel. Holy crap. Not going that way. Holy shit. You stay away from me. Onwards. Onwards and yonder. Bam, you son of a gun. Oh, I have to go this way. Isn't that just pleasurable? If that makes any sense. Alright, awesome. Slowly regaining health. They call me the health regainer slowlier guy. That's what they call me because I gain health slowly. Oh, and the jellyfish are here to attack me. That's splendid. Oh, I need to get away. No! Stay away from me. Holy crap. These things are monsters, man. Ah! This is where I die. No, I will not die. You back away. You back away. You will not touch this bread. You will not touch this bread. Oh no. Oh shit. Oh no. If the jellyfish gets me, I'm screwed. Rest in peace. Oh no. It was nice knowing all of you. It was nice knowing all of you. No. I was killed by a Lemurian. Those sons of bitches. Let's try again. Hopefully we will find at least one teleporter. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Just look at it. Just look at it. Alright. Onwards. Onwards and yonder. Does that make any sense, guys? I'm in like sand right now. Oh! So you wanna fight now, you son of a bitch. Oh! They call me the Determinator, because I determine whether you die or live. The Determinator. Call me Captain Determinator. I'm not the Terminator, I'm the Determinator. Look at that. I'm so high powered right now, I'm so OP. Call me the OP-inator. No. No, no, no. I must be the Determinator. 50? I don't have 50. Dang it. So what's with the floating like little walkways here? It makes no sense. It's unethical. Hey, container. Oh, look at those big bad boys. I just leveled up. Oh, I have to go up here again. Oh, yeah, that's right. Get down. On the road again. Just can't wait to get on the road again. Oh, you stay back. You stay back. Suppressive fire. Suppressive fire. No! No! Oh my gosh. What the heck? Why do they want to kill me so badly? And this game is called Risk of Rain, and how is it a Risk of Rain when like it's just monsters like fighting me? Makes no sense. And I found the teleporter. 1 of 90 seconds. Holy crap. What the heck? How am I supposed to survive this? Get up there. Dang, man. Help! Help! Oh, get out of there. Holy crap. Oh, I'm dead. I am so freaking dead. No. How am I supposed to survive that? That was such a big jellyfish. Oh my gosh. Anyway, guys, this is Risk of Rain. I highly recommend getting it. Even though it's really hard, it's still really fun to play. Because I don't know what it is, but it just keeps me here, and it keeps me wanting to play more. So you definitely should get it. I don't know how much it is on Steam. I got it for pretty cheap because it was on sale. It might still be on sale though, so you guys should probably check that out. Like I wouldn't spend 20 or 15 bucks on this game, and if it was like 10 or less, definitely go for it because it's just a fun game to have. It's kind of an 8-bit style game, I guess. 2D, really pixely. I mean, who doesn't love that? non like 8-bit haters, I guess they hate it, but still they probably have a love for it somewhere. So anyway, guys, this has been Monday Suck. Hopefully I have shedded a little light on your very gloomy Monday, because everybody knows Mondays suck. So that's why I'm here. I'm here to make it better for you. So definitely click like, favorite, and subscribe. You're not forced to, but it's advised to. So definitely do that. And I will see you guys on the next video. And have a great Monday. Goodbye.